Proceeding further, we come to question number 12 of exercise 7.11. Integral from 0 to pi x upon 1 plus sin x dx. Now here also we will apply property P4. Okay. This equal to integral from 0 to pi. Instead of x, you get pi minus x upon 1 plus sine of pi minus x dx. This gives you integral from 0 to pi. You get pi minus x upon 1 plus sin x dx. Now see, sine of pi minus theta, it gives you sin theta. Sine of pi minus theta gives you sin theta. So sine of pi minus x, it will give you sin x only. Okay. This gives you integral from 0 to pi. In the bracket you get pi upon 1 plus sin x minus x upon 1 plus sin x dx. We have separated the terms. Now we will separate the integrals. Pi outside, this pi comes outside. Integral from 0 to pi. 1 minus sin x upon 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x. Means what we have did? We have rationalized the denominator. In the denominator we are having 1 plus sin x. We are multiplying and dividing by 1 minus sin x. 1 minus sin x in numerator और 1 minus sin x से denominator को multiply किया. dx minus this is I. ये integral I हो जाएगा by equation 1. Means here what we get? We get integral from 0 to pi. We get x upon 1 plus sin x dx. So this is nothing but I. You get I is equal to pi. Integral from 0 to pi. This is 1 minus sin x upon cos square x dx minus I. This I comes to this side, and here 1 minus sin x upon cos square x. Means you get 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x. A square minus b square and 1 minus sin square x. That is nothing but cos square x. Okay. You get 2i is equal to pi. Integral from 0 to pi. 1 upon cos square x. Separating the terms, we get sec square x minus sin x upon cos square x. Sin upon cos is tan and 1 upon cos is sec. This gives you I is equal to, here it was 2i, now I am writing I. So this 2 comes here. यहाँ पे आ जाएगा नीचे. You get pi by 2. As far as integral of sec square x is concerned, you get tan of x. And as far as sec x tan x is concerned, integral is sec x. Limits running from 0 to pi. Okay, clear? Now apply the limits. Upper limit minus lower limit. That gives you pi by 2. Okay, tan pi minus sec pi. This is upper limit minus tan 0 minus sec 0. This is lower limit. And for both, pi by 2 is common. Now if you remember these values, tan pi, sec pi, tan 0, sec 0, then it is okay. If you forgot these values and substitute the wrong values, your answer will be wrong. Tan of pi is 0. This is sec of pi is minus 1. So see this, tan of pi is 0. This minus sign. And sec of pi value is minus 1. So you get minus of minus 1. Minus tan of 0 is 1 and sec of 0 is 1. So this is 0 and this minus and sec of 0 is 1. This gives you pi by 2. Okay. Minus of minus 1 plus 1. Minus of minus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. You get pi by 2 into 2 and that gives you pi. That's your answer. यहाँ 2i जो था हमने 2 already पहले divide कर दिया था. We get this answer. Now see, based on this, what sort of problems you can get? Based on this, what sort of problems you can get? Okay, you can get this problem. Integral from 0 to pi x sin x upon 1 plus sin x. Same problem. Okay, but you will have additional term sin x here. You can get this problem. Integral from 0 to pi x upon 1 minus sin x dx. x upon 1 minus sin x dx. Again same problem, in the denominator you are having 1 minus sin x. You can get this problem, integral from 0 to pi x sin x upon 1 minus sin x dx. Again same problem, additional terms, you are having sin x, and the denominator instead of 1 plus sin x you are having 1 minus sin x. Okay, clear? Now what else you can get in these problems? Numerator denominator divide by cos. Numerator denominator divide by cos. What do you get? You get integral from 0 to pi x. If you divide by cos, you get sec x upon sec x plus tan x. Means you can get this problem also. Okay, अगर यहाँ न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को cos से डिवाइड किया तो x डिवाइड बाय cos रेसिप्रोकल cos ऑफ cos इज sec, you get x sec x, 1 by cos sec x, sin by cos tan x. So in all इस एक प्रॉब्लम में से 3 प्रॉब्लम ये हो गए. बिसाइड दिस व्हेन यू डिवाइड बाय cos x you get 4 more प्रॉब्लम्स. इसे cos x से डिवाइड करने के बाद ये प्रॉब्लम आएगा. इसे cos x से डिवाइड करेंगे तो डिनोमिनेटर में sec x प्लस tan x ही आएगा, न्यूमरेटर में x tan x आ जाएगा. ओके, एंड दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम, मीन्स दिस वन x tan x upon sec x plus tan x. This is the problem in miscellaneous exercise. Okay, problem number 32 or 33 I think, means in the range of 31 to 33. Okay, you are having the problem, this one, x tan x upon sec x plus tan x. This will turn out to be x sec x upon sec x minus tan x, and this turns out to be x tan x upon sec x minus tan x. Means जो ये problem है इसमें डिनोमिनेटर में माइनस है. Okay, clear? So all these problems will be solved by the same method. Okay, all these problems will be solved by the same method. Remember one thing, tan of pi minus x, that will give you minus tan x, and sec of pi minus x, that will give you minus sec x. Okay, sin of pi minus x gives you sin x, sin of pi minus theta is sin theta, but in case of tan and sec, tan of pi minus theta minus tan theta आ जाएगा, और sec of pi minus theta ये minus sec theta आ जाएगा. Okay, clear? Please note it down.